Do you ever feel like you're just going through the motions in life without any real direction? Do your relationships lack authenticity and depth? Do you want to unlock your full potential? Do you want to unlock your full potential but don't know where to start? If so, you're not alone. Join me as we embark on an exciting journey of self-discovery and personal growth together. In this new series that will be every Monday, it'll be Unlock Your Potential. We'll explore how to peel back the layers to reveal your true self with courage and commitment so you can gain a deeper understanding of what makes you tick, what motivates you, where your passions lie, and what holds you back. Self-awareness is the critical first step to living a more intentional and purpose-driven life. Let's start by examining your core values. What principles do you live by? What matters most to you in your life? Make a list of 10 to 5 values such as honesty, family, spirituality, growth, contribution, and achievement. Do your priorities and choices align with your core values? If not, what needs to change? Which values should you remove? Which values should you add to your life? Clarifying your values provides a moral compass to guide your goals and decisions. Next, let's discuss your natural talents and abilities. What skills and strengths come easily for you? When do you feel energized and in a state of flow? When do things just click? When do you feel challenged? When do you feel stressed? Perhaps you have a knack for photography, cooking, mentoring, or problem solving. Understanding your innate gifts allows you to thrive in environments that capitalize on your abilities. And understanding your weaknesses allows you to recognize when you may need help, when you may need to take things a little slower, or when you may just need to remove this habit or lifestyle from your life in general. Now, while an honest self-assessment is crucial, beware of harsh self-criticism. That can just pull and weigh you down. Growth occurs gradually, not overnight. Instead of frustration over weaknesses, approach yourself with patience, love, and self-care. Celebrate the small wins and find friends who believe in you and who will build you up as well as you building them up. Even when you doubt yourself, with time and commitment, you can mold your life around your values, gifts, and dreams. Self-discovery requires bravery, but the rewards are immense. As you gain self-knowledge and emotional intelligence, you'll experience greater freedom and control over your inner world. You'll make decisions aligned with your truth. Your relationships will deepen as you show up authentically, and you'll craft a life of meaning on your own terms. And creating a life on your own terms will give you that freedom to live the life that you want to. Now remember, this journey begins with a single step. And tune in next week as we dive into mastering your emotions, developing empathy, and building connections through vulnerability. Uncovering your best self takes perseverance, but you don't have to do it alone. I'll be there with you every step of the way. Are you ready to unlock your potential? The most fulfilling chapter of your life starts now. And remember, take care and live a life led without regret.